flowers. So we learn nature now. I'll show you my flowers. And okay. So this is, I don't know this one. Let's just skip this. And this is rose. Beautiful rose. And his doesn't have. And this is, I don't know, skip. I know this one. No, I don't know. I know this. It says Shankampu. That means is Shankampu. And that, I don't know. Skip. Skip. And this one is skip. This one is rose. This one skip. 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 And this is marigold. Skip. 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 Now bye. Smash that subscribe button. Bye. Bye. That's it. My brother scared me. See my brother scared me. Telling hi to you. Bye. Bye. Bye followers.
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
Smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. Bye.